Hello traders, welcome back again. So just like I promised, this is my honest review on the Bybit Forex platform. Well, actually it was introduced just few days back or two weeks ago. So now, though I have not used to trade, but I have monitored the price of the movement price and compared to the main forex market, and everything is very accurate. So now, as a beginner or as a first time user, some of us are in habit that if we only trust one platform, we are not interested in moving our fund from one place to another. So now, if you are very interested in forex as well and you want to trade forex the way we are trading, you can actually make use of this Bybit as well. So the first thing you need to do, you come to this trade fee here. You see this trade fee. Ensure that you update your Bybit, and once you click on trade fee, it's going to take you to here. And as you can see, we have gold here. This first one here is gold. We have Tesla, we have cycle internet, we have Nvidia, we have all this, even Apple and as well. So now our major here, I think we still have some index where, okay, you come to this forest side here. You see, we have forex, we have indices, we have stock, and we have commodities. So now let's come to the forex. You will see USD, you see all this. They have already implemented all these currency pairs. So most of the currency pair I trade aside from gold is like this AUD USD. Sometimes I used to trade this. So you can just place it's just as very simple as it is. Let's come to indices, and you can see we have the DJ Dow Jones 30 and etc. So you can just go ahead, and gold is under meta. So look at it, we have silver, Australian dollar, blah blah. We have gold, and look at the price of gold here. This is price of gold here on the Bybit. And if I take you to my forex gold, my MT4 or my MT5, you will notice that the price is almost the same. Let me quickly take you there. And as you can see, this is my MT5 here, and you see the price is almost the same, nothing different here. Just look at it. We just trade this gold now, and the way we buy here, the other book here, you buy and sell here. Look at this is it. You buy here, you sell here, you buy here. Is the same as that of Bybit. And also you have the lot size here. You can adjust your lot size, but let me take you there so that we talk more on the platform. So for example now, let's say I want to sell gold here on my Bybit here. I want to sell gold here. All I need to do is to sell, and it's going to ask me this lot size just the way. Remember, we have three type of lot size. We have standard lot size, we have mini lot size, and we have micro lot size. So as a newbie to the FX, or if you want to start trading this, I will advise you to use micro lot size, which start from 0.01. You can begin to use the 0.01, 0.02 up to 0.09. That is micro lot size. Why mini lot size is 0.1? It's mini lot size. If you use this in a small account, your account is going to get blow. So it's very good to use proper risk management. So it depends on your account balance. So now let me use lot size here. Now here is asking, as I click on lot size, it's asking order by lot size, order by USDT. Well, I think I should just go order by lot size. I'm not going to use order by USDT. Let's confirm. It will ask me quantity 0.01. Just like I predicted, from lot size, as you can see here, if you take a very good look at this place, you see here it has 0.01. I can be able to increase and also decrease. So if I decide to use 0.01, you see it has closed. Let me say 0.02, it has closed. Or let me say 0.1. So you are going to start using from 0.01, 0.02, 0.01. So the standard lot size, it depends, which is starts from 1. And now check it very well. If I have to use standard lot size, that means I will have to have almost $330,000. If I want to use lot size, I need almost $330,000 before I can be able to use standard lot size. Let's check the micro lot size 0.001. I need just, okay, on this it's the value is 3003, sorry. So anyway, this is it. I really don't need huge amounts, meaning that I can start with just my $10 account and I can be able to trade. As you can see, it's actually trading on the amount here, which is 3,308, and that is the amount of the gold here. I will just decide to place sell, and once I place sell, if the market is going down, I will be in profit. And if I want to set stop loss and take profit here, look at this place here is take profit and stop loss. So I'll just set it here. The first one is take profit. I will just be like, if the market reach 3301, that means, look at it, the profit I'm going to make here, I'm going to make almost $7 here. $7 here. Then if I say, like, as we trade here, we started the market at the we took a trade 3312, and our our take profit was 3307, which means if you actually for now the market is very close, but as at then you should be able to make, we make almost 30 pips. That was our today's trade. I did not trade much due to upcoming news. So if you decide that, okay, the market is going to still come down, or 3298, just look at it, you'll be able to see how much you are going to risk, and from here your stop loss will be 33. The current market is 3321. That means you are going to risk $11, and just like that, 332, or okay, 3318. So everything you are going to take here, you are going to be seeing it just live, and this is very good development by Bybit. So you can decide to take a trade, but currently I don't have fund here. I will have placed a trade so that I will do a live demo, but let's see, maybe it's just that I'm being pressured. If not, I will have just put some fund, but let's see later, maybe I'll put some fund and I'm going to trade live trade here. So this is just how the Bybit, and if you can just look at the chart here, you can just draw whatever you want to draw. This is 30 minutes time frame, 15-minute time frame, and everything are all the same. So the thing is, you can go to the Forex one and look at it. We have a lot of currency pair here, which I believe is very okay, because number one, there is something I dislike. I don't, for now I really don't know their spread. I don't know, maybe they have tight spread or the big spread. So but here we can just see it, they actually have just very little spread. This is how we are going to identify maybe they have spread. Look at this plate, we have 2-4 and we have 2-1, just 3 pips, right? So the spread is very okay. If you go to some brokers have a very huge spread, and I believe this is very welcome development. So thanks to Bybit, though I'm not their fans, but thanks to them, they actually have a very good good spread. So now let's see how it works out. By next week I'm going to take a live trade here, but not now, just by next week I'm going to take a live trade here and see how it works out. But this is just everything you needed to know on the Bybit Forex trading, and this is very good development here. So whatsoever you see a think about it, please just let me know, and I will really appreciate.